Hello guys, this is Wallpapers and Ringtones with Zayatron. Let's try this one. This is kind of fun. Set. Like. Favorites. Oh. And then money. Everybody likes money. I'm gonna pretend like I didn't see that. Nike, just do it! Don't touch my phone. Never, ever touch my phone. Game over for you, buddy. Game over. Let's stop checking them. How about this one? Oh my gosh, way too close. Show you that it's really game over. Let's see recent. Okay, just from the looks of it, it looks weird. That's kind of cool. Properly. Water. Wow. Not impressive. Okay. Oh, this looks good. Let's try this one. Oh, I'm going all colors, yo. Let's see. Let's go to Ringtones. New iPhone 6 remix. My thing going. Oh no, I hate that. I hate it. Siri remix.
I'm sorry, I'll try harder. My pleasure.
My way. Okay. Let's see. Mom alert.
Your mother is calling. Stop what you're doing, calm down, and answer the phone.
So if like your mom is calling, you just answer. Like a alarm for your mom. Oh well. Guys, this is it for this video. So see you in the next video.